Hey everyone, thank you for coming by my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Breville juicer. The juicer came yesterday. It was actually delivered. We wanted to buy it at Best Buy, but they didn't have any in stock. So we got it delivered. Delivery was actually pretty fast. It was about a day, not even. Yeah, let's get unboxing. So this is the box that it came in when it was shipped. Let's open it. I didn't even open it yet, so check it out. So this is the front of the box. It's actually a pretty big box. Not too big though, but it's a good size. The side of the box, you can see it. This explains all the different functions and everything of the juicer. It has 5 different speeds, which is pretty neat because most of them just come with 2 speeds. So let's open the box. It smells good. Okay, so as you open the box, you will see your instruction book right there, your warranty, and you will also get fancy stickers to put on the front of your juicer. Okay, let's take the styrofoam off. The jug that goes on the other side of the juicer. This is a cleaning brush. As you can see, the juicer comes all wrapped up, but it is put together. So that kind of helps when it comes time to wanting to put it together. At least it is together, so you have to take it apart in order to unwrap it, and you'll have an idea of how to put it back together. So that's kind of nice that you put it together like this. So let's open it. Okay, most of it is unwrapped. Let's take everything apart and unwrap it. Because in the middle, everything is still wrapped up in the middle. So bear with me. Take the top off. The middle piece that's in here actually just pops up, and it's actually wrapped up, so yeah, take everything off. It's got some plastic and cardboard to protect it. And this piece here, you can actually clean it with this brush like this, and it'll get all the gunk and everything out of here. It's actually better to put the lid on first and then put this container on after you put the top on. And this locks it in place like that. This is actually a spout that you can use if you have a glass. You don't want to make the juice in a jug because sometimes you don't need that much. You just want to make some juice for one person. So if you want to do that, you can use the spout. If not, you take the spout off like that, and you place the jug in there like that. This sticker here, you will need to remove it. So let's remove this. Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. It's a very good movie. Alright, so the juicer is all powered up, and before getting started, we need to actually remove this sticker that is on the front. And on the display, you will see, this is the first setting. For the first setting, it's good to use strawberries, really soft fruits, nothing hard. Once you move it to, say, the third setting is good for pineapple, citrus fruits like lemons, limes. You move it to the fifth setting, you can use that for carrots, apples, things like that. When purchasing a juicer, a lot of people's main concern is how loud is it? This juicer is actually pretty quiet, so I'm going to show you how quiet it really is. I'm going to show you without fruit and vegetables, then I will show you how loud it is while we are using the fruits and vegetables. So let's turn it on. As you can see, I'm using my regular talking voice, and the juicer is pretty quiet. It's on the first setting. Let's move it to the second. It's a little louder, but still pretty quiet. It has a nice little hum to it. It's nothing too loud. That is the third setting. And the fifth setting. It is a lot louder, but it's still not as loud as other juicers I've tried in the past. Okay, so now let's try out some fruit and veggies. So I'm going to start off with a special recipe. The recipe is actually called Eye Opener. This recipe is good for fatigue, so if you're looking for an energy boost, this is a good one. So let's try it out. For the recipe, we have 4 cups of strawberries, 2 peeled oranges, and 2 carrots. Let's turn the machine on. Since it's on the first setting, let's try the strawberries. That was pretty good. As you can see, a lot of juice came out of the strawberries. Everything else got shut over on the other side. Now, let's turn it up just a little bit so we can do the oranges. This orange is actually big enough to fit in. Sometimes it won't be big enough, so you'll have to split them in half. It's good to go nice and slow so you can take all of the juice out of the fruit and none is wasted. Wow, look at all that juice. And it smells delicious over here. This orange was actually too large, so I had to break it apart. Okay, so that was pretty good. Now let's move it up to the highest setting and do the carrots. have our eye opener juice. Let's see how much this actually juiced. And it's actually pretty moist. But I say it does a pretty good job. As you can see on this side, here's all the juice. This will serve about 2 to 3 people. Okay, so now we are going to try the eye opener. That is delicious. Really keeps your eyes open. If you are looking for a new juicer, I highly recommend the Breville Juice Fountain Multi-Speed BJE510XL. It is absolutely amazing.